So hello guys, today I am going to share about how to play Minecraft. How many don't know how to play Minecraft? So that's why I decided this. So I got in such an bad spawn, so we will go. Okay, once wait, I am switching my switcher. Yeah, this is a bad spawn. Oh, this is a hand, so we will go to planes. Oh, okay. So guys, you need you need to go to the tree and put cross it on region plus and hold the left click to break it and take these locks. You have to mine down all the locks in the tree. Okay, okay. Okay. Come on. Okay. This is enough for us. First of all, you need to change into planks. If you cut down any tree, you have that will come into locks and you have to change into planks. Okay, after changing, put 1 1 in this column and you will get a crafting table. Okay, you can see this crafting table. After, take crafting table in hand by scrolling and put it down by pressing right click and again right click to insert the crafting table. First you need to take sticks. You don't know how to take sticks? Wait, I will show you. Press this to show what you can do. Here is this stick. You can take sticks. Okay, after you have to put here and here. After here one. So you will get a wooden pickaxe. You can mine. Okay, wait, I will show you. You can mine this with wooden pickaxe only. Any pickaxe also. I will mine this all. There will be some other stones like diorite, andesite, granite, and diorite. Sorry, diorite is already over. After taking some stone, we have to put like this. One, two, yes. After you will getting a furnace. Okay, in this furnace you can cook the food. Wait, I will show you. This way. Okay, we can make not only pickaxe, we can make axe also. See, what? Stone pickaxe, axe, stone, shovel. Oh, who use it for the, I will show you. Wait, I will show you who also. Once wait guys. Okay, take this food. You need you need to put you have to put food in this furnace so we get health. Okay, we can use wooden pickaxes, wooden items here to cook food or anything. Yeah. See here in down we can see levels of food after mining. Wait one second. We can make stairs, slabs, etc. See, we can make this all also. After wait, we will make sticks, some sticks. Okay. Uh, once we time, no, I have to go to it. Okay. Okay, we go. We will get some iron ore and gold, Okay, these are the materials we want. Okay, after this is iron ore we will get by mining, using mining to dig down. See, I will show you like this, but it will take some time to break a block. I am in creative, so it was taking so much of time. Okay, I will put over. Okay, now code. These are the ores we can get in mining. By mining, we will get on caves also, some caves. Okay, I will switch into survival. Okay, you can take this. You can take the wool. So see, you can see here I get wool by breaking this color with wooden pickaxe. We can break color with wooden pickaxe. We didn't break iron ore with wooden pickaxe. See here. If we break, this is can't get in our inventory. I will show you. Okay. We can take with stone pickaxe, so that's why I didn't have stone pickaxe. We can mine it with iron. See, you can see here I got ore. I will take wood. See here it was turning into iron ingot. You can see. Okay. This is the iron ingot. We can make the. Wait, I will show you. We can make a access stone see by putting by putting like this. Okay. You don't know how to put the light of structures. We can see here how to put sticks and ingots. Okay. Next, this is gold. We can't mine anything with. We can only mine stone and color with the wooden pickaxe. We can mine stone. We can mine stone, coal, and iron with a stone and pickaxe. After we can mine with after we can mine with these also. Okay, I want transfer. Okay, this is gold. Gold is for only for making golden apples and golden pickaxes. And gold is waste about pickaxes because we can only use sometimes only because golden pickaxe you will once wait, I will show you one other one once wait. We can mine the diamond blocks also. We will get XP, so much of XP. I am telling first thing, we can't mine diamond with stone and wooden pickaxes. Okay, we only mine with iron and anything. Okay, see, this is the golden pickaxe, but it was, see, I break it. These are all things with only one pickaxe. See this. See. Okay, I just mined. I just mined 15 blocks. See, the golden pickaxe half health was half. That's why don't prefer to golden pickaxes. Gold is about to do only armor is also waste. And mm, we can make golden apples, golden present plates, etc. Only for this we will use gold, and after we will get these diamonds. Wait, I will show you. See, these are the caves. These are the zombies. You see, you can see here a door. These are these are the zombies. They will wait. I will show you once. Wait. Okay. Okay. They will kill you if you in front of them. You can kill them. You have to kill them. Okay. They will spawn at okay, oh, yeah. They will spawn at dark places. So you have to put torches around your houses and your buildings. You can see here so much of lava. Okay, this is another mob called Enderman. If you look into his eyes, he will kill you. So don't look into his eyes. Okay, these are the iron ore I show in, and these are the gold. And this is obsidian. Oh, sorry, this is the obsidian. It will make by mixing water and lava. Okay, by this obsidian we can go into other world called nether. I will tell you in second episode about nether. Okay, after uh, there will be diamond at white oil. You need diamond, then mining white oil. You will get so much of oil. Okay, you will get so much of diamond by mining in white oil. After, okay, I show you. There is some species about mobs. Mobs are also known as zombies. This is the creeper zombie. It will explode in our surroundings. This is the skeleton. It will use bows and arrows to shoot the enemy. Them. To, if you need diamonds, you have to mine at white wall. I am at okay. See, you can see here XYZ. I am at 59. Okay, I need to go to 12. In the 12 level, we will face so much of lava. Okay, diamonds also will be around the lava. Okay, next. Okay, this all over. And next one is, oh, okay. In this world, we will have some biomes called dark oak biome and taiga biome, forest biome, desert. Okay, desert is near up to us. I will show you once. Wait. In this desert, we will have villages and desert temple. In desert temple, we will have some loot and villages called. And in villages, some people are there. They will take some jobs like farming, etc., etc. Here we have a temple, not village. You can see here. Wait, I will set time to morning. Time set. Okay, once with this. Yeah. Slash time set the. Okay, and if you can see here, these are the villages. In these villages, we we can see here chests. Wait, I will show you. Energy. In this just some amulets and food. And this is bread. We can make the bread by combining three of the wheat. Okay. These are the villages we can try. Okay. Okay. Some villages are there to we can try with them because they will took some job. Okay. He is a villager. He has a some job. Okay. He he will give one amulet for give to give 24. Okay, 24 paper. Okay. Okay. After uh, uh, this is the iron golem. It will spawn around the villages because iron golem is a security guard of villages to protect him from pillagers and zombies. Okay, zombies will spawn at night time also. You have to careful there. Okay, there is villager. Okay, spectator mode. Okay, in this okay in this desert we have all terracotta biome. In the terracotta we will have some colored blocks. Okay, After this is a acacia biome. Since you can see there is this is called terracotta biome. You can see we can break these blocks, colored blocks. After this is the acacia biome. You can see here cows. We need wheat to breed cows. Wheat. Okay. Oh, this is the biggest ruined portal. This is a portal to go to Nether. Okay. Wait, I will show you. Okay. You need to put a square with only obsidian. Okay. You need to put a square and use flint and steel and use it to on this portal and this on these blocks. It will activate and stay on this. And you have to stay on these blocks and you will teleport to the Nether in few seconds. Okay. After okay. Yes, we got it. This is the cactus. If we okay, I will show you. If if we go to this near, if we who is that? Okay, these are the rabbits. These are rabbits. If we go to near to the cactus, it will. You can see my health is not drained, okay, because it has some. Okay, wait, I will. Okay, guys, that's it for today episode. I will I will put second episode. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.